Welcome back. Let's do question 622. In the diagram, the graphs of f of x and g of x are drawn in the interval negative 180 degrees to 180 degrees. A and B are 2 points of intersection of f and g. We are required to find the coordinates of B, and in question 621, we managed to find the value of k. We say that k is root 3. So now what are the coordinates of B? If you check, B is one period away from A. And the period of this graph is what? Is 180 degrees. If we say 60 degrees minus 180 degrees, we must get the x coordinate of B. 60 degrees minus 180 degrees, which is equal to negative 120 degrees. Okay? And then B and A are on a horizontal line. So it means the y coordinate is still 3 for B. The other thing you can do, right, if you check here, the gap between 0 and point A, there's a difference of 60 degrees, meaning that even here from negative 180 degrees to point B, there must be a difference of what? Of 60 degrees. So now to get the x coordinate of B, we can say 180 degrees plus 60 degrees, and then we get negative 120. So you can say negative 180 degrees plus 60 degrees, we'll still get negative 120 degrees. And then since B and A are having the same y value, so it's going to be negative 120 root 3. The last thing that I will suggest is to use the general solution. We know that for the tangent of an angle, x is equal to reference angle plus 180 times k, where k is an integer. Remember that we have another way of finding the general solution where we use what? We use the quadrants, but they are going to give us the same answer. So let's just use this one. So our reference angle is the angle in the first quadrant, which is 60 degrees. So x is equal to 60 degrees plus 180 degrees. Let's start by substituting negative 2. If you substitute negative 2 where there's k, you will get what? Negative 300 degrees. Alright, if you substitute 1, you can use your calculator to do this. You can substitute using a calculator, but I'm just doing it manually. If you substitute negative 1, you're going to get negative 120 degrees. Right, and then if you substitute 0, you're going to get 60 degrees. And then if you substitute 1, you're going to get 240 degrees. Now we're in the positive side. But in the negative side, you can see we have negative 120 degrees, meaning that this negative 120 degrees should be here at B. You see that? That's how you can do it. So you can say the coordinates of B, negative 120 degrees, root 3.